A robotics startup called Sunday Robotics is getting a lot of attention after revealing its household robot called Memo, a machine designed to perform real everyday chores inside normal homes. Unlike many robots that appear mainly in carefully controlled demonstrations, Memo is being developed specifically for unpredictable real-world environments where objects move constantly, lighting changes every hour, and humans create endless mess. The company believes the future of AI is not just software running on screens, but intelligent machines capable of physically helping people inside their homes. And after watching Memo in action, it becomes clear why many tech enthusiasts are paying close attention to this project. Memo was designed with practicality as the main priority. Instead of trying to look fully humanoid, the robot uses wheels for movement, giving it better stability, lower power consumption, and smoother navigation across indoor environments. This also allows the robot to move safely around furniture, pets, and people without the balance problems often seen in legged robots. The robot has a compact body with a low center of gravity, making it less intimidating while improving safety during household operation. Its robotic arms are built for handling objects commonly found in homes, while the gripper system focuses heavily on software intelligence rather than overly complicated mechanical fingers. This combination allows Memo to interact with both simple and delicate items using AI-driven control systems. The demonstrations shown by Sunday Robotics are surprisingly practical. Memo is seen clearing dining tables, picking up dishes, organizing household items, loading dishwashers, folding socks, handling fragile cups and wine glasses, and even preparing espresso in the kitchen. These may sound like simple tasks for humans, but for robotics engineers, they represent some of the hardest challenges in artificial intelligence and machine interaction. Homes are chaotic environments filled with random object placement, changing conditions, reflective surfaces, clutter, and unexpected obstacles. A robot capable of operating reliably in that environment requires much more than basic automation. It requires advanced perception systems, object recognition, motion planning, and adaptive behavior that can respond instantly to changing conditions. What makes Memo especially interesting is the way it learns these tasks. Sunday Robotics created a training system using special sensor-equipped gloves called skill capture gloves. Humans wear these gloves while performing normal household chores, allowing the system to record hand movement, force, object interaction, and task execution in real environments. Instead of relying mainly on simulations, the company is building massive datasets collected directly from actual homes. According to the company, it has already gathered around 10 million real-world household task demonstrations from hundreds of different households. That amount of data could become one of the biggest advantages for the robot because it exposes the AI to the unpredictable situations that exist inside normal homes. This approach reflects a growing trend in robotics where real-world data is becoming more valuable than perfect laboratory simulations. Many robots perform well in controlled environments, but struggle when placed inside ordinary homes. A kitchen counter may look different every day, objects may be partially hidden, lighting conditions constantly change, humans leave items in random locations. Sunday Robotics believes that solving household robotics requires training directly on this chaos rather than avoiding it. The company appears to be focusing less on flashy demonstrations and more on building a system that can scale into real consumer use. Memo also represents something much larger happening across the AI industry right now. For years, AI mainly existed inside phones, websites, and computers. Then large language models transformed how humans interact with software. Now companies are racing to combine AI reasoning with physical machines capable of interacting with the real world. Household robots are becoming one of the biggest long-term goals because the potential market is enormous. A robot capable of reliably helping with chores could completely change how people manage their daily lives, especially for elderly individuals, busy families, or anyone needing physical assistance. Of course, major challenges still remain. Household robotics is extremely difficult, and many experts remain skeptical about how close the industry truly is to large-scale deployment. Real homes are far more difficult than controlled demos, and reliability remains one of the hardest problems in robotics. But Memo already demonstrates something important. The industry is shifting away from purely experimental robots and moving toward machines designed for actual usefulness. Watching Memo smoothly organize objects, handle kitchen tasks, and interact naturally with household environments gives a glimpse into what the next generation of AI-powered robotics may look like. And if companies like Sunday Robotics continue improving systems like Memo, the idea of having a capable robotic assistant at home may arrive much sooner than many people expected.